First, let's understand the copy wizard used in most methods of copying list items with MetaVis Migrator. We invoke the copy wizard by right-clicking on an item and selecting Copy To. Now in this case, I'm going to select more than one item, and I'm going to hold the Shift key down and select the last item and select all of those items there. We're going to right-click on any one of these and select Copy To. Now, the wizard comes up, and this allows us to choose the target location of where we're going to put this information. And in this case, I'm going to move it to an actual 2010 site. So I will search for one of my 2010 sites. Here we go. And we are going to connect to a 2010 site to migrate or move or copy this information. It will ask me for my credentials, which I will enter in. It will then load the information from the 2010 site. Now that the site is loaded, I am going to choose, I can choose whether there is a subsite or not, and in this case there is no subsites. I'm going to then choose which list I am going to migrate this to or copy this to, and in this case shared documents, and I'm going to select that to copy the information. I will click next. We will render the metadata that we could change here or modify, and I'm not going to change anything here. In another video we will go into detail about the metadata and how we can change the metadata. Next, we're going to finish this wizard, and it asks us and shows us that we're going to migrate copy 8 documents. We can choose to delete those, which would be moving them. In this case I'm just going to copy, and we can choose whether to overwrite if existing files are there in the 2010 site. So I'm going to click Finish to begin the process of copying those files over. Now in this wizard I have a choice of running this in the background so that I can do other things. Otherwise I can watch it migrate over. Now as you can see, 8 items successfully processed, so we have those copied over. As you will see here, we still have those 8 items here. Let's see where the files have migrated to. We're going to look under our 2010 site, and specifically this site where we migrated them to our shared documents, and I will double click on that, where we will see that we have migrated those 8 items over, which are right here. This concludes our review of the Copy To wizard.